This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, you can you mute yourself? Otherwise, echo sound will be recording. So whenever you want to, you can unmute and you can talk.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thanks. Thanks. Okay, so last class we discussed STO. So under STO, we just PO we have to do. I think we done this PO. Let me. So we'll continue in this one. So I will just discuss what we discussed last. I will. Okay, so STO is a two types. So one is intra-STO, inter-STO. STO means it's a stock transport order. Intra-STO means within the company code between whether plant to plant or storage locations. That is intra-STO. So inter-STO means within the company between two company codes. That is inter-STO. Okay, so inter you will get like what is the difference between intra and STO and inter and intra. Then you should just tell these 4 points for like document types. Okay, so intra-STO PO document type is UB, inter-STO document type is NB. Okay, outbound delivery document type is NLC or NL, you can say under intra, but inter-STO it's a NLCC. That means outbound document type. Whatever one is, I mean, once the PO is received from supplying company code from receiving company code, so they will start the outbound delivery. That is document type is a NL or NLCC. So in intra, the proforma invoice will be generated. Proforma invoice means it's a like it's only transportation purpose. So what is the value of materials when we doing stock transfer from one plant to one plant or another plant, another storage location to another storage location. So when you do the intra, so proforma invoice will be generated. Okay, and that only transportation purpose. Maybe we can say e-sugam or something also we can say. Next is the inter-STO. Under inter-STO, so intercompany billing commercial invoice will be generated because which company code has receiving the materials, they have to make the payment to the supplying company code. That is the reasons intercompany billing. We have to create a commercial invoice. That is comes under is a inter-STO. Okay, when what is the movement types between? So intra-STO movement type will come 101. Sorry, 101 is with the PO. It's a 641. It's a movement type. But inter-STO, so 645 is a one-step procedure. 643 is a two-step procedure. We'll see what is a one-step and two-step procedure means. Okay, next to coming to business scenario, how the configurations. See, D123 is my company. So under company, I have two company codes. So D123 one company code, double D one company code. Now, so double D, they need some material. The same material have at D123 company code. So what they will do, double D, they will create one purchase order sending to D123. So double D company will treat, that means it's a D123 is my vendor because they're getting purchase order, they're supplying materials. So D123 as a vendor to D1 double D company. Okay. So here D123 they will receive the purchase order from double D company code. Then double D is a equal to customer. Okay, that is here supplying company code or this is receiving company code. Okay, supply means it's a material supplying from this D123 company code to the receiving company is a double D. Okay, here the plant is there. From which plant to this sending materials or which plant is receiving materials. So this DDP1 is a under this company code double D receiving company code, that receiving plant to D1 P1 is a supplying plant. That means supplying company code also we can say. Because under supply company code only plant will come. So we can say supplying plant to this is DDP1 is a receiving plant. Then sales organization we need to be creative both the company codes individually. So So far we created a one company code, one sales organization. Thus we have to create another company code, same sales organization. Both took different company codes, different to sales organization it's required, but material should be common. Okay, so next, what are the process steps here? The first is a material creations, both the company codes. We should create materials, both the company codes. Next is a receiving company code vendor database assigned to supply company code plant. That means, so this company code double D, they will create purchase order. To create the purchase order, to whom they will send this purchase order? To this plant. So this plant needs to be assigned to in vendor database in double D company code. Okay, that is. And customer creations, XT01 is a T code for customer creations, because this customer means it is in, so this receiving company, supplying company treat as maybe the receiving company code is my customer. So the supply company code, we need to be create this customer means here maybe we can say plant also, because that is a receiving plant, we supplying to plant DDP1, so we can say customer also this plant. So that is the reasons we need to be here assigned three, configuration steps are there under SPRO. So define shipping data for plants, assign delivery type and checking rules, then assign delivery type, one step procedure under tolerance. So this the steps will come under as a SPRO, materials management. Okay, so configuration steps, SPRO, materials management. Okay, SPRO, materials management, under materials management purchasing, under purchasing, purchase order, under purchase order, set up stock transport order. Okay, see here, set up stock transport order, just click this one here. So define shipping data for plants. So what we created plant, we need to be assigned to plant. The XT01 we created customer, that whatever we created customer needs to be assigned to both the plants. Both the plants means it's supplying plant and receiving plant, both the plants. Go to position, plan to D1 P1 examples. Okay, just double click. So customer, we created HP customer, select here, enter and save. So this same what we created another plant is a DDP1, same, just double click, enter customer and save. After customer, we have to do this step. And so that is define shipping data for plant. Define shipping data for plant. Okay. Second is assign delivery type and checking rules. So delivery type means assign delivery type and checking rules. Just double click. Okay, go to position. So document type is PO, document type is ENB. If it is in, we are doing STO stock transport from between two company codes, document type is ENB. So supplying plant here D1 P1. Okay, see outbound delivery document type is NLCC. Just select here and save, or maybe you, whenever you creating, go to new entries, enter document type. This is standard document, description automatically will come, no need to be enter anything. Just enter document type ENB, supplying plant, whatever you created, this standard document type NLCC we need to be enter. So NLCC, this is see here the outbound delivery document type here. That means whenever they're doing stock transfer from one plant to another plant, to document type is a NLCC. So here you just enter NLCC and save. Okay, now we'll go back. Next, assign document type, one-step procedure under tolerance. Just double click. So this we'll see practically. I will show you what is one step, how it will come under. Go to position, just supplying plant to D1 P1 is supplying plant to, then receiving plant is DDP1. Okay, see document type is NB because we're doing STO. So here one step procedure is there. Sorry, one step it is there. If you tick this, then it will come as a one step procedure. Then one step procedure means whenever material sending DP1 to DDP1, both the plants, when the goods issue, goods receiving, it will be generated one document number. Goods issue plus goods receipt will be done one document. When we do here hunting, the supplying plant, when the goods issue, one document number will be generated. Post goods issue, one document number will generated. Then when this plant, they will do the goods receipt separately, then one more document number will be generated. That means two documents number will be generated. Tick and untick. And we will see both the scenarios, then you will understand. First we will see the one step procedure. Tick here and save. Okay, now we'll go back and create one purchase order. Okay, E21N. Okay, so vendor is here, I have done 22. This vendor is receiving company code vendor. Okay, don't here supplying company code, it will not come here. Receiving company code vendor, we need to be enter here. Okay, even the purchase order also, receiving company code has to create and sending to supplying company code. Okay, DDD, yeah, purchase group company code, then materials. So I created both the companies common yesterday to, so that is same sorry, mobile battery is there. Mobile battery, let's say example for 10 pieces. I will, okay, delivery date 20 July. So per piece cost 1500. So here plant is receiving plant has to create here. Enter. So DDP1 is receiving plant. Okay. Here supplying plant or company code, there is no any informations here. Only receiving company code only. Purchase organization, company code, plant, storage location, even vendor, everything it is a receiving company code only. Okay. Enter. Okay. When you enter, so this is the shipping point. The shipping tab has to come. Maybe when you doing practice or when you after configurations, the shipping tab has to come at the time of PO creations. You just click this shipping tab. See. So document type NLCC, what we configured backend, it came here. So NLCC shipping point is, this is from shifting, that means supplying company code under shipping point. This shipping conditions 01, loading group 0003, transportation group 0001. This we will see at the time of material creation. Under sales organization 2, we under tab that we entered those details. Okay. Next it is in, see here the customer is a HP customer and this is supplying company code, sales organization, distribution channel, division. So this tab has to come. The only STO PO only you will get this shipping tab. It's a normal POs or normal means a standard PO. You will not get this PO. I mean this tab here, shipping tab. It only for the stock transport order STO PO. Okay, then save. Okay, so PO number 980. Okay, now after PO, so now this company's PO is created DD, double D, and they sent to D123. Okay, once PO really received from this company code, they will start sending materials. That is outbound delivery. That means it's a goods issue they're doing. That means we will start. So that is the T code is a VL10G. Okay, outbound delivery. That means simple if you say goods issue. Okay, we are doing now outbound delivery. So VL10G. Go to here, enter VL10G. Okay, in this step, shipping tab, sorry, shipping purchase point is there. So under supplying company code. So what is the shipping point? We need to be enter here. So 8888 is my shipping point under supplying company code. Here, delivery creation date, you can remove all the dates here, whatever the dates are there. You just keep it blank, all fields here. Next, go to purchase order. So what we created purchase order, we need to be enter here PO number. Okay, so 980 our PO. Okay, enter the PO number, execute here. That means now we will processing the outbound delivery. Just execute. Okay, so this is our customer. Ship to party is customer. This is our PO number. Okay, so initially maybe sometimes red will come and green, yellow and green will come. At the time of red also, just select line item, go to background. Even now also we're doing same thing. So green is the green light. Just select line item, go to background. That means see, create delivery in background. Now we're doing processing from one plant to another plant. Just execute here, background. You will get one more same line like HP customer P1 number. You will get another line here. That means they're going to start the document, doing the outbound delivery backend. So now we got same thing here. Then go to here, log for delivery creation. That means it's a we fix that. Okay, we will fixing the materials as per this PO quantities, and for log just we will processing. Just click this log for delivery creations, this window table types, it's there. Just click this one. So you will get here one dog screen here, delivery creations log. That means we fix it. Okay, you can select. Okay, you can select anyone this here, whether group or creator, this number, anything, shipping data, wherever you wanted. Just select here anyone, go to documents. Just click this documents. Okay, this is the document number. That means now material outbound delivery document number. This is the outbound delivery. We done the NLCC. That means so we done outbound delivery document. This is the document type NLCC, but document number this is 80017576. Okay, this number we can see in purchase order also. When you go for purchase order history, we can able to see that. Anyway, we'll see that. So this is the document number 7576. Again, just select document number, go to here display document. That means now we go to doing a issue. You just click this document, display documents. So you will get here say VL03. Now outbound delivery it started. I mean inbound delivery, it's outbound delivery is completed. Now we are going to do the inbound delivery. See here, outbound delivery VL10G we done. So now we are going to inbound delivery VL01, 2, 3. So this is we already done the background automatically. That is the reason it's directly came here VL03 is a display mode. See here, This is document number our 7576 display model say VL003 and is a display. You just change here, display change. You just click this button, then document will be open. Okay, and this item over means what is the material quantity, description, NLCC, the dates will come, which date we are planning to deliver the materials under. So next go to picking here. So picking means, so this the materials currently available under this plant. Mobile batteries 10 pieces under this plant. The storage location we need to enter D1 S1. Okay, picked quantity. That means we need to pick as per the PO quantity. So 10 POs, 10 quantities we release a purchase order. We need to be enter 10 here. Next loading, this is we are not bother about. You just will see the status overview. So what is the status overview? Now still we have not done post goods. That means it's a now goods issue and receipt will be document one number, document number will generate it if we click this one. Now still it will not have done that. When you done this post goods issue, then outbound and inbound delivery will be completed. So this is the outbound delivery document number. This is here outbound delivery document number. When we send this number, so only one document number will be generated: goods issue, goods receipt. I will show you that is also. See, A is it is in C. This is the delivery document number, and C is not yet completed. This is just click this A. What is A means? You just click. See, A for not yet processed. B in case if it is a partial delivery. Now is a 10 pieces is there picked quantity, that is as per PO quantity. Now if I will send 5 pieces, then automatically the status will come here. Goods movement GM is it's a B will come, that is partially we do it. C is a completely processed. That means we accept a 10 pieces here. So that is the reason it is a completely processed. So when you done this one, so this is A, that is meaning GS. IBS means it's a intercompany billing status. See here, I will just close this one. IBS means it's a intercompany bill status, not yet completed. How it is when we do the post goods issue, then we can able to create an invoice. So that is IBS here. See, goods movement data. So we're doing one step procedure. So that is the reason here 645 it came here. That means one step. When we do the two-step procedure, then 643 will come. I will show you that is also. First we'll finish one step, then we'll see. Okay, now we'll go back here. Just post goods issue. You just click this. You will get one document number here done. So after post goods issue, see, document number is created. This is the transaction. Both the transaction will be with outbound delivery document type only will gel, but goods issue, goods receipt, what is the document number? If you want to see that one, then we have to log into the ME21 purchase order history. ME22, sorry. Go to what is 79, right? PO number. What is the PO number we entered?
980, sir.
9. Correct. Sorry. Okay, see the purchase order history. See, 645 movement type 101. So that is we entered here one step procedure 101 and 645. So one step procedure, that means see, goods issue same document number, goods receipt both the scenarios same document number. That means one step procedure. When we do the two-step procedure, goods issue will a different number, then we have to do the goods receipt MIGO, then another document number will generate. That means it's a two-step procedure. So this is outbound delivery document number. This is, so this outbound delivery is separate, goods issue and goods receipt number is separate. So that is, so goods issue, goods receipt is one number, and this is outbound delivery. Now we'll see the two-step procedure. So now let's examples. Now let's say goods issue, goods receipt will be happen. So what they will do, this company, SD people, they will create one invoice VF01. That means outbound delivery, inbound delivery, it's over. SD people, they will create invoice VF01. This, it will not coming this demo systems, only I will show you VF01. See, outbound delivery document number will come here 7576. Here billing type, so intercompany billing, right? We should select here. See, intercompany billing. I see we are intercompany billing here. The billing type is IV. Let me see, intercompany billing. We should select bill type. So date, we can enter here today date or something. Okay, just go to process, execute here. See, somewhere we configurations, it is a value, it is not picking here. See, mobile battery 10 pieces, the value has to come here. So tax amount will come automatically. Just save here. That's it. One document number will be come, but value it is not coming. So just examples, if I will save also, you will get one document number. So in the document number, see, document number is created. This is invoice number, but value it is not coming. Somewhere it is missed that. We SD people, it's required actually. This is a demo system, right? The value it is not back, and somewhere it is not capturing. So this document number, finance teams, they will collect the money from, they will deduct the money from their cost center to double D. Under this cost amount, material cost, they will deduct and they will transfer to this company code. So this is STO process. Now we'll see the two-step process. So how will come here? So if you want to do the two-step procedure, we have to go to this step. So where we tick that one step procedure indicator, one checkbox, we need to be remove that one in this step. See, plant, so this is only assign document type, one step procedure, they are under delivery tolerance. You just double click. Okay, go to position, supplying plant to D1 P1. Okay, plant is a receiving plant to DDP1. Okay, here one step procedure, the tick is there. If you remove this, then automatically then two step procedure will come. Now we'll see the purchase order we need to be create after this one. Okay, go to, see now examples, laptop batteries, how much currently in our stock. Let's examples MMBE. Okay, sorry, mobile battery, right? Okay, let's examples D1 P1. Okay, now this is supplying plant. Okay, D1 P1. So under that 40 pieces are there. Now we'll go back and receiving plant seal. So DDP1. So once we do the stock transfer, automatically materials will be transferred. See now examples under this plant. Now we done 10 pieces. So unrestricted is 10 pieces is there. Now I will do one more 10 pieces. So stock transfer. STOPO. So now we'll do ME21N. Okay, same vendor is 22. Okay, purchase organization double D, purchase group, then double D, material. mobile battery, let's go to 10 pieces. Delivery, okay, 20, I will make it. Anything more? Sorry, 1500 for laptop mobile battery. So plan to DDP1 storage locations DDS1. Okay, the shipping tab it came here. Can just save. Okay, so this is the PO number 981. Now we'll go to VL10G outbound delivery process. Okay, same shipping tab, I mean shipping point to 8888. You remove these dates. Okay, go to purchase order. 981 is another PO. Enter and execute. Okay, customer will come, then select line item, go to background. We'll just starting. So when we do the background create, so you will get same thing. So processing here same. Now we'll going back. I mean we are going to log for delivery creations. Just click this one. Okay, you will one more screen will open. So again you can select any one this here. Just date or something. Go to documents. So this is outbound delivery document number. This is 7577. Okay, and this again select this number. Go to a display document. Okay. Okay, go to here display and change. Then go to picking tab. Just enter storage locations D1S1. Then picking quantity 10 pieces. Okay, see movement types 643 will come here. See, that means two-step procedure. Okay, so just go to goods issue we are doing. See, number document number, it came one more document. So now we'll see the MM22N 981 PO number. Just go to here. See, this is a document number, but 643 moment type will come. This is document number is goods issue. When you do the goods receipt, MIGO, MIGO, then you will get one more document number. That means two-step procedure. Now we'll see goods receipt. So for goods receipt first, I will see the first, I mean, tax code, whether it's there, my company code, or otherwise I have to come back again here. Okay, somebody's creating this. We'll go back. MIGO. Goods receipt, purchase order. Enter 981. Okay, see mobile bat is 10 pieces. Just item, okay, post. Document is posted. See now goods receipt document number, this document number will reflect in purchase order history. So 1370. If you see ME22N, see this goods issue, this number, goods receipt is different number. When you do the goods receipt, with PO number, so movement type 101 will come. But STO, when we do the two-step procedure, movement type is 643 will come. So here, so now two-step means two different document numbers will generate it. So that is two-step procedure here. So interviews, they will ask definitely this movement type. So and this, what is the difference between this and that? Okay. So this is STO. Then we can do here no invoice. Now it's a good. Now we'll see MMBE mobile lamp battery. So first we'll see D1 P1. Now stock is 30 pieces because we had already transferred 10 pieces. This plant to D1 P1 to DDP2 plant. Now we'll go back, just change here plant. I mean DDP1. See 20 we received. So there it's a 30 pieces is the total. That is so 2 times we done the 10 times. So that is 10 pieces 20. This is stock transport order. One plan. I mean one company code to another company code. Okay, so this consignment, you send me one error that is GL account issue. I will check that again. What is the standard GL accounts, and I will let you know. This is not possible for determine a consumption account you send me right sometime back. This
Yes,
I
sir.
will check and this I will check and let you know. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Mm.
sir.
So how it is going practice and all? Which where you doing stop? I mean practice and all. Which